Hello guys, welcome back to Weirdo Bros Gaming, and today we are doing City Skylines. So we have a bit of an update. The audio we have improved way more, way better. It's way better. So yeah, I apologize for before that it was not as good, but yeah. So me and the other Weirdo Bro have been trying to do City Skylines for a long time. We have done 6 tries at the series. So, hope you enjoyed. This game, what you do is you basically build cities and you're like the mayor of it too. You have to manage all the water and everything like that. And power and transportation and health care and happiness and noise and pollution. Just all that stuff. So we are going to go to new game. We choose setting. I'm going to go with Sandy Beach. Yeah, I'm going to change this to the Weirdo World. Okay, so let's start. Boopity boopity bobbity boop boopity bop. My own theme music, pretty cool, huh? Well, no, it's not theme music. Well, it is now actually. Okay, so yeah, start, load. Oh, look, hello birdie. His name is Chirper. He lets you know about all the stuff that goes on. What? There was the new update. Anyway, you gotta choose your look, and he was my look. But it started out as your look being like this, which is kind of boring. And then he evolved. He somehow got himself a crown. He became king of birds, and then he became king of all birds with dark sunglasses. And then, what even is this? It's like, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it with this one. Anyway, I'm gonna get started. I can control fairly easily. Not too difficult, not too difficult. Okay, so I'm going to start building the roads. I'm gonna see my money is down there. That's my weekly income. There's a high demand for residential zone, but I haven't unlocked that yet, so I need to build roads. Done. Done. Done and done and done again. Okay, so this is gonna be a lovely little block. Lovely little block. And here I can zone it. So if I zone the residential zone, here they will start popping up later. It looks really cool when they build. Anyway, they need water and stuff. So to do that, we need a pump and something that disposes all the stuff. So we need to find out which way the water is flowing. By the looks of these arrows, it's flowing down this way. If we were to make it push out the stuff here and pick up the stuff there, it would it would suck up all the dirty water. And we do not want that. Okay, they need power, so I'm just going to put these here, because when they're close to the seashore, well, basically, I'm talking too fast. The windmills can generate a certain amount of megawatts. Over here it's 8, which is the max. Down here it's like 4, 3. It's not very good. So it's not a very efficient place to put it. So I'm just going to bring 2 down here. In the zone is when it powers automatically. And I can do power lines. I'm just going to connect these. And then I'm going to bring power to the people. All the way down here. Down here. Okay, I just want to show you guys. Look at how these things are getting built. Okay, I want to see one that's just starting out. Can I see one? Is there any houses that are just being built? Like right now. Well, there's this. But I'm doing like from the very beginning. I'm looking. Because it like digs out the ground. Anyway, we need to bring water to these people. And there's already water places down here, but we need to connect the sewage to the fresh water. So I'm going to bring it all the way up there, here, here. No, you know what? No, that does not look very good. Get rid of the pipe. Okay. And make it a complete square. Oh, that's so annoying. That tiny little bit. Okay. So now they're getting water. You can see what a lovely day for a walk. Hashtag walking is healthy. So look, this is what they like. So, or what's going on? Green energy, they're happy about that. Yeah, just stuff like that. So, now that they have water and stuff, we need to expand. Later we will unlock specific buildings such as clinics and healthcare. But right now, we need to start expanding. Wait a second. Who calls the street Stephanie Smith Street? Oh! Look, you see it this way. You see that you can read it, and instead of looking over here, instead of it's being upside down, it flips. So you could just see it. You could just see it. You could see it move. Oh, look at this tiny little house. The Woodland Residence. Well, duh, it looks like a woodland place. Nice little house. There's 1 children and 2 adults. They're all uneducated, sadly. So time to expand. Next, see there's being more demand for commercial and industrial. So shopping and working. So I'm going to go down as far as I can. Oh, this is a huge consumption of money. Oh, this can cost a lot. Go 1,000 wide. And bring it back home. Okay. Yeah, this is going to cost a lot of money. I don't know how I'm going to bring pipes, power, or like how am I going to... I don't even know how I'll be able to afford that. Oh, this is at a weird angle. Very weird angle. Okay. Continuing. Nope. Right here. Continuing. Want it to be nice and organized. It's like slopes everywhere. It's messing it up. Okay. Build. And build. Well, if you don't know what like all that little grid stuff is, it's where I can zone the areas. See, I'm gonna do some residential in here. What I don't like about industrial is it creates pollution, so I'm not gonna add too much of that. Just gonna put it here, 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 and here. Whew. Okay. Yeah, it's time. So now I'll unlock new stuff such as high density, commercial zone, residential, and offices. Offices are areas offered workplace for educated citizens. Make sure you have a university. So I kind of want to get rid of industrial altogether because it does not look very pretty. It just doesn't. Over here you can see that's where you buy land. Here is like the achievement sort of. After you get that population, you unlock loans, taxes, garbage, healthcare, education, and these special buildings. And you can unlock more stuff. It's cool. You can get policies. Now I unlocked fire, police, and unique buildings. If you go, the biggest you can get is a megalopolis, where you unlock monuments and a bunch more land. Yeah, you can buy land later. And you can unlock services, transportation, which is really cool. Okay. During all that commotion, we forgot about bringing water and power over here. So I'm just going to bring the water down here. Now, there we go. I'm just going to connect that there just because. And you can see the amount of money I'm paying is going down. So that is good. I may get in the negatives. I'm not so sure. These people will have to live without power. Nope, actually, no. I'm going to go into the negatives. I'm willing. I need to bring power. I'm doing my duties as the mayor. Can I make it? No! How far can I make it? That far. Yeah. Excuse me. Have a little something in my throat. Anyway, that's how close I am to bringing power to the people. No! Meanwhile, our residential hasn't been building up. That's sad. We are still gaining people. That's the global happiness. Here you can check citizen happiness. That's close to unhappy, and that's close to very happy. They're not super happy. We need to add more parks. Yeah, they're not very happy with this. What is it that you don't like? Oh, no, you're a bit happier. Yeah, they don't like it. There's nobody even there, though. That's probably why. When it's red, there's nobody there, I think. But I just want to get more people. My goal. Oh, I don't even have enough money. My goal is to reach the first achievement. Oh, wait. Way down here to get the little hamlet. I need like double what I have, and then I'll unlock loans and taxes, and I get some money. This will be good. So I just want the commercials to be built up now, or more, because then it'll like share, like, because if you check the power, like if you put a power thing there, it like gets all this area that's inside of it. So if there's more buildings being built, it'll like transfer the amount of power to over here, where they need where they don't have enough power. Maybe I should just put a whole power plant over here by itself. No. I'm not gonna do that. What's this? Traffic. Okay. Private vehicles, is that? What? What is this? That's the route. Okay. We have no pedestrians. We just have private stuff coming in here. How's the traffic? It's good. It's the tightest around this area, though. But even then, it's not very tight. I can unlock thicker roads, you see, but I need more money. But, yeah. Now, we are starting to earning money. This is good. We are now starting to earn money. So, it makes it really good. Because we are earning money. Okay. I don't even think we can make it to our goal. This video has been dragging on. I think we might have to end it now. Sadly. No. What's this thing do? What? Okay. Never mind. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead. Wait. What is this? Keep getting distracted. Oh, they don't have enough workers. Oh, yeah. Okay, anyway. Gonna leave. Okay, we're gonna end this video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye. In the next video, we will get it done. Bye.